My name is Beatriz Mayorca. I am an artist and designer from Venezuela, but I'm living here in Oklahoma City since 2005. We are here right now, the Hightower Park, that is it's a garden extension from the city hall. I am sitting right now on the sculptural chair that I call Nurture, that I did thanks of Downtown OKC partnership for their Artist Invitational last year and just installed last week. They are a group of sculptural chairs that, in this case, that bench that I designed a piece that create just interaction. Not only the people can rest here, that the people can sit here and just wash their face and sit to each other and talk, invite them to talk, but also enjoy the art. I really like the part, the functional art and the art outside of the public space, because I want the people, everybody, enjoy the art, and not only the people that is art lovers, that they go into the museums. I want everybody, the art lovers and non-lovers, just be able to enjoy. And if you want to come, actually I invite you and come by. We are here just next to the Oklahoma City Art Museum, the City Hall. Hightower Tower is on the back, and you are not going to be lost. And if you take a picture, use #NurtureOKC.